closing. As they settled, we have hit the road jack. Break quickly restored. Moving upon the outside, life is delicious. TP Tyler 2 is down in third, then followed over by Run of Mine, while Graceful is the early trailer. Back to the leader, we have hit the road jack, maintaining a 3/4 of a length lead. Life is delicious in second. TP Tyler 2 now closing in third. Run of Mine is down in fourth, while Graceful is still running at the tail of the field. Over to pass the last 400 meters, we have hit the road jack, maintaining a half-length lead. Moving upon the outside, Life is delicious. Then followed over by TP Tyler 2. And as they swing for home, we have hit the road jack, this time by about 2 lengths. Life is delicious still in second. Last 75 meters, it's all entry number 1. Hit the road jack. Life is delicious. TP Tyler 2.